Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 4.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, overhead console, passenger vanity mirror, cloth seat trim, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.